Okay, so gold market analysis, and this is today's weekend, and what can we expect from gold moving forward? And ayun nga, may mga bagong development sa war, and it's actually getting worse. Oil is going up. Okay, let's just see where the money is going. And so oil 7.89%. Yeah, so it's very important to know this time yung galaw ni oil. And so as I have mentioned before, oil is a factor with gold direction. And so kasi although si gold is a safe haven asset, it went down from 5,600 to 4,000. That's a $1,600 move, and that's very unusual. So dati, kahit isang taon na, it's just going sideways and it's going to be up $100, $200 lang. But it's a sudden shift from 5,600 to 4,000. It's very big drop. Mamaya pakita ko yung chart ni gold, but for now, let's talk about oil. So this is the week. Monday, it went down hard, and from 100 going to 84. So let's expect, or let's hope na this is going to be a very hard resistance. So it's 100 is a psychological level, and so as you can see here, yan, nag-bounce na siya multiple times there. Yan. So let's hope na hindi siya magtuloy pataas. Kung hindi, ayan nga, tuloy-tuloy ang pagtaas ng gasolina. So you can expect na yung mga gasoline stations will still be going up, no, yung oil nila. And with the Philippine government handling the situation, we cannot expect anything from them. Ayan. So if this goes up, magtuloy-tuloy siya, we can expect 110 to be the resistance before it retraces back to 100. Then ganito yung napipicture out natin, no? 110, then it may just go back there, then go to the all-time high. And so that's what we can expect with gold if it's continuously going up. All right, so pero kung hindi, it may go down and ease up. And oil is a factor because of inflation fears, and with inflation, mga interest rates will be going up, and with that, US dollar will be going up as well. And as you can see, all USD denominated are going up. USD CAD, etc. Now Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, all going down, and because they are paired with gold. Okay, gold is actually getting higher, and USD JPY is 160. All right, so with that conclusion, if they're going to park their money, they're going to park it with something that pays interest, which is US dollar. US dollar is 3.75. At least if they park it there, they're gonna get some interest. So right now, we can still, with the war continuously worsening, can expect na it may still just go down. And okay, so last week we projected that it's going to have a bounce, and it did, pero it's a very limited bounce, and 4.6. So from here, 4.510, 4,510 or 4.5, meron pang push yan. Pwede pa i-push yan pataas. Pero cautious na tayo dito at 4.6. Yan, it may go down. And pwede pa yung tumagos. Okay? So pag tumagos, ayan, at 4,162, Yan ang ano natin, ang pinakamababa, no? So, kung umakyat siya sa 4-5, yan. Actually, we can just wait it out before we enter a sell. Yan. So, from 4-5, we can expect that it can go down to 4-3-67. Yan. Just like what happened nung Thursday. Yan. Okay, so that's what we can expect with gold. And as you can see here, there's already a rejection, and oscillators are still at 50. So this is actually a healthy pullback if we expect it to drop, if we are expecting it to drop hard, no, at 4,367. Yan. Sana. Yan. At 4,367, RSI, and RSI can just go back to the oversold levels. Yan. 4,367, then it may go up a bit before it continues to go down at the very low. Okay, it's still ranging. It may still have a bounce. It may still have some upward movement, but it's very limited. So far, we are limiting our projection dito sa 4,600. Yan. So kung tumagos man 4,633, yan na yung pinakamataas. And that's for our projection, no? Okay. So next, if talagang mag-persist yan, 4,6 tumagos, we can expect 5,000. Okay? So what if the war stops, or there's a ceasefire, peace talks, agreements like that? So we can expect that gold may have an upside na. Ayan. So kasi nagkakaroon na ng hopes for the interest rate cuts pagka natapos na yung war. Ayan. So US dollar could have an interest rate cut, and yun nga yung gusto ni Trump, no, na magkaroon ng interest rate cut. So ipupush siya talaga if this war is over. And that's it for our key levels for gold updates. And yun, by Monday we can expect it to have this projection, no, may go up before it goes down here, goes back here. That's it, guys. If you want to learn more about forex trading, we have a community where we provide trading signals, trade ideas, and nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa comment section and sa description. So I hope to see you there.